Welcome to our channel. If you have a Union Bank virtual card and want to activate it for online shopping, follow these step-by-step instructions to start making secure online purchases. Step 1. Log into your Union Bank online banking account using your username and password through their official website or mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to the card section or virtual card section in your account dashboard. Step 3. Locate your virtual card from the list of available cards displayed. Step 4. Click on the option to view card details or activate card, depending on what is shown. Step 5. The system may prompt you to verify your identity using a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or email. Step 6. Enter the OTP or verification code in the provided field. Step 7. Review your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Step 8. If there is an Activate or Enable button, click it to activate your virtual card for online transactions. Step 9. Set any additional security preferences, such as spending limits or transaction alerts, if the option is available. Step 10. Once activated, you can use your virtual card for online purchases by entering the card number, expiration date, and CVV at checkout. Step 11. Keep your card details secure and monitor your transactions regularly through your online banking app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.